Individual leafcutter ants are strong. If a human being were as strong as a leafcutter ant, that person would be able to carry a small lorry around with his or her teeth. When many leafcutter ants combine their strength, their feats become even more impressive. There are a total of 47 species of these impressive weightlifting insects, and today we are taking a close-up and personal look into their lives. Firstly, looking at their anatomy, some of their appendages boast familiar names like their tibia and femur seen here. Their front feeler-like sections of their 6 legs is known as a tarsus, with their cutting utensils known as mandibles. Their main body features 4 pairs of spines, which are essential in helping them to carry and manoeuvre leaf fragments on their back. 2 other main body parts of note are the coxa and gaster at the rear end. Their eyes are small, but their antennae extremely sensitive, containing both touch and smell organs. After all, each ant colony has a unique smell, so members recognise each other and sniff out intruders. All ants can produce pheromones, which are scent chemicals used for communication and to make trails. Leafcutter ants live throughout Central and South America and are also found in Mexico, and some southern regions of the United States have leafcutter ant populations too. Leafcutter ants play an important part in rainforest ecosystems, as they are primarily responsible for eating incredible amounts of rainforest vegetation. As you can see in evidence here, they are serious harvesters and undoubtedly the rainforest's most prolific herbivore, eating more vegetation than any other type of creature. Their effort is not to be underestimated, given that they improve the richness of the soil and, by removing leaves from the trees, allow sunlight to reach the lower levels of the forest. These amazing ants build nests featuring a complex underground structure with multiple chambers and passages. Nests can be from 30 to 35 square meters in area and several meters deep, with up to 8,000 chambers and tunnels 70 meters long, depending on the species. And the nest's chambers are built at depths that provide a suitable temperature for their intended use. Each ant has a role to play within the colony, and their size and physical appearance reflects what their job is. The ant society consists of 4 main social levels or castes, namely minims, minors, media and majors. Minims mainly work inside the nest, tending to the fungus and ant larvae. Minors protect the foraging columns and guard the nest. Media carry heavier loads back to the nest, and majors provide additional security when the nest is threatened. Some species of leafcutter ants remove waste material from the nest and take it to special areas, whilst others have chambers within the nest to store waste. Once the leaves are brought into the nest, the ants turn them into food for the fungus garden, after having undertaken a process involving removing the waxy outer layer of the leaves and then chewing them up. The fungus grown in their garden provides food for the queen and the other ants inside the nest, with workers and foragers obtaining nutrition from the leaves. Once a year, the colony will produce winged ants called alates of both sexes. These ants fly high in the air to mate. After doing so, the males will sadly die, and the females lose their wings and attempt to start their own colonies. The new queen carries a piece of the colony's fungus in a special cavity in her mouth. She will locate a suitable location for a new nest and excavate a chamber. The fungus she has carried is used to start a new fungus garden, with the queen laying her eggs to begin a new colony, where their life journey cycle will continue.
you.